Hi viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Biology Vlogs. So today I will be discussing the previous question paper of Livestock Inspector examination. So I think this video will be helpful for all those students who are preparing for this examination. So let's start. The first question is the period from the date of calving to the date of next conception is. So what is that period called from the date of calving to the date of next conception? So option A, intercalving period, option B, dry period, option C, lactation period, option D, service period. So the correct answer is option D, that is service period. So service period is known as the period from the date of calving to the date of next conception. Okay. So the second question, as per the breeding policy of Kerala, the preferred exotic inheritance of crossbred cattle is option A 95%, option B 75%, option C 50%, option D 25%. So the correct answer is 50%. So as per the breeding policy of Kerala, the preferred exotic inheritance of crossbred cattle is 50%. So next question, colostrum is fed to the cows based on the body weight at the rate of. So we know that the colostrum is the first milk which is produced by the cattle. Okay, not only the cattle, all the mammals. So the question is the colostrum is fed to the cows based on the body weight at the rate of option A 1/4, option B 1/15, option C 1/10, option D 1/8. So the correct answer is option C, that is 1/10. Next question, dairy utensils should be made preferably of option A iron, option B copper, option C aluminium, option D bronze. So the correct answer is aluminium. So all the dairy utensils should be made preferably of aluminium. Next question, the diluent used in deep freezing semen preservation technique is. So in the deep freezing semen preservation technique, which is the diluent we used to deep freeze the semen? Option A EYC, option B CME, option C liquid nitrogen, option D tris. So the correct answer is option D, that is tris. Next question, artificial insemination was first attempted in India by option A Dr. Sambat Kumar, option B Dr. Varghese Kurian, option C Dr. Banerjee, option D none. So the artificial insemination was first attempted in India by Dr. Sambat Kumar. So the option A is the correct answer. Next question, the length of standing space provided for cattle in a cattle shed is option A 1 meter, option B 1.5 to 1.7 meter, option C 1 to 1.02 meter, option D 1.8 meter. So the correct answer is option B, that is 1.5 to 1.7 meter is the length of standing space provided for cattle in a cattle shed. Okay. Next question, the toxic content present in suhabul is. So what is the toxic content present in subabul? Option A hydrocyanic acid, option B mimosine, option C gossypool, option D aflatoxin. Correct answer is aflatoxin. Okay. So what is suhabul? Suhabul is a popular farm forestry tree in the coastal areas. Okay, it is one of the fast growing hardy evergreen species. Okay, so the toxic content present in suhabul is aflatoxin. So next question, the temperature time combination of LT-LT method of pasteurization is. So what is LT-LT method of pasteurization? It is a pasteurization method for milk. So LT-LT means low temperature long time pasteurization. Okay, So this pasteurization is conducted at low temperature for a long time period. So option A 60 degrees Celsius for 30 seconds, option B 72 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes, option C 72 degrees Celsius for 50 seconds, option D 63 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. So the correct answer is option D, that is 63 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes is the temperature time combination of LT-LT method of pasteurization. Next question, the moisture content of hay is about option A 65%, option B 85%, option C 15%, option D 25%. So the moisture content of hay is about around 15%. That is option C is the correct answer. Next question, young one of a rabbit whose eyes are not open is called. So what is the young one of rabbit whose eyes are not open called? Option A buck, option B kit, option C kit, option D bunny. So correct answer is option B, that is kit. Next question, a strong tendon attached to the point of hook is called. Option A stifle, option B hind cannon, option C hamstring, option D coronet. So the strong tendon attached to the point of hook is called hind cannon. Next question, the tough inelastic structures which helps the muscles to attach the bones are called. So it is tough inelastic structures which helps the muscles to attach the bones are called. Okay, muscles to the bones. Option A fibers, option B cartilage, option C fascia, option D tendons. So correct answer is tendons. So tendons are inelastic structures, tough inelastic structures which helps the muscles to attach the bones. Option D is the correct answer. Next question, in calves, colostrum bypasses lumen and reticulum to reach abomasum through. Option A ruminoreticular fold, option B esophageal groove, option C reticulo-omasal orifice, option D cardia. Correct answer is option B, that is esophageal groove. Next question, temperature required for brooding the chicks is. So what is the temperature required for brooding the chicks? Option A 1 watt per chick, option B 3 watt per chick, option C 0.5 watt per chick, option D none. So the correct answer is option A, that is 1 watt per chick. Next question, identify the breed of rabbit which evolved in England. Fur is white and skin is albino, eye is red, adult weight is 4.5 to 5 kg. So which is the rabbit breed which have the following characteristics? So this particular breed is evolved in England. The fur is white and the skin is albino, eye is red, adult weight is around 4.5 to 5 kg. Option A Soviet chinchilla, option B grey giant, option C angora, option D New Zealand white. So the correct answer is option A, that is Soviet chinchilla. Next question, a grass which thrives well in waterlogged area is called. This particular grass which thrives well in waterlogged area is called. Option A paragrass, option B guinea grass, option C Congo signal, option D signal grass. So the correct answer is option A, that is paragrass. Next question, duck eggs selected for hatching should be stored in an atmosphere of. Option A 20 degrees Celsius 80% humidity, option B 14 degrees Celsius 80% humidity, option C 15 degrees Celsius 75% humidity, option D 10 degrees Celsius 75% humidity. So the correct answer is option B, that is 14 degrees Celsius for 80% humidity is the duck's eggs. It is the condition at which the duck eggs selected for hatching. Okay. Next question. In young chicks, the mineral likely to be deficient is option A calcium, option B manganese, option C magnesium, option D selenium. So which is the mineral which is likely to be deficient in young chicks? Correct answer is option B, that is manganese. Next question. A substance used to inhibit or destroy microbes on a living tissue is called option A disinfectant, option B antiseptic, option C sanitizer, option D miscellaneous agent. So the correct answer is option B, that is antiseptic. So disinfectant is the substance which is used to inhibit or destroy microbes on the surface, non-living surface. Okay, so antiseptic is the substance used to inhibit or destroy microbes on a living tissue. So that is the difference between disinfectant and antiseptic. Here the correct answer is option B, that is antiseptic. Next question. Animal which have all teeth fallen off are called. So the animals which have all teeth fallen off are called option A gummers, option B broken mouth, option C aged animals, option D full mouth. So the correct answer is option A, that is gummers. Next question. The total dry matter required of cattle based on body weight is option A 2 to 3%, option B 0.1 to 2.2 percentage, option C 1 to 1.5 percentage, option D 4 to 5 percentage. The correct answer is 2 to 3 percentage. Next question. In goats for natural service, the ratio of buck to dose is, in the case of goats, for the natural service, the ratio of buck to dose is option A 1:20, option B 1:25, option C 1:5, option D 1:30. So the correct answer is 1:20. Okay. Next one. The vitamin which is absent in egg. Option A vitamin B, option B vitamin C, option C vitamin A, option D vitamin K. So the correct answer is vitamin C. So egg is deficient in vitamin C. Next question. Testosterone is produced by option A vas deferens, option B Leydig cells, option C epididymis, option D seminiferous tubules. So the testosterone is the male reproductive sex hormone which is produced by Leydig cells. So the correct answer is option B. Next question. In ruminants, the end product of carbohydrate digestion is option A glucose, option B energy, option C volatile fatty acids, option D amino acids. So in ruminants, the end product of carbohydrate digestion is volatile fatty acids. So the correct answer is option C. Next question. The process of bringing frozen semen to atmospheric temperature is called option A insemination, option B ejaculation, option C pasteurization, option D thawing. So we know that thawing is the process in which it is bringing frozen substance to atmospheric temperature. So in the case of semen or in any substance, the process of bringing frozen substance to atmospheric temperature is called thawing. So the correct answer is option D, thawing. Next question. The sphincter muscle seen around the tip of the teeth is called option A Furstenberg's rosette, option B teeth siphon, option C teeth cistern, option D streak canal. So the correct answer is option A, that is Furstenberg's rosette is the sphincter muscle seen around the tip of the teeth. Next question. An example for zoonotic disease. Option A brucellosis, option B anthrax, option C tuberculosis, option D all. So the correct answer is option D, brucellosis, anthrax, tuberculosis. All these diseases are zoonotic disease. So the correct answer is option D. Next question. An example for a nutrient which contain nitrogen free extract and fiber is Option A fat, option B lipid, option C carbohydrate, option D protein. So the example of foreign nutrient which contain nitrogen free extract and fiber is called option C, that is carbohydrate. So we know that carbohydrate have fiber and it is nitrogen free. Okay. Next question. In cattle, maternal and fetal cotyledons unite firmly to form placenta by about during which period? Option A 30 to 36 days, option B 22 days, option C 2 months, option D 5 to 6 days. So the correct answer is option B, that is 22 days. So 22 days cattle maternal and fetal cotyledons take 22 days to unite to form placenta. Okay. Next question. An example for a host-specific cell-limiting disease of poultry. Option A Newcastle disease, option B coccidiosis, option C gearworm, option D Mark's disease. Correct answer is option B, that is coccidiosis is a self-limiting, host-specific self-limiting diseases of poultry. Next question. The accessory sex organ which contribute fructose and citric acid to semen is? So option A prostate, option B seminal vesicle, option B testes, option D Cowper's gland. So the correct answer is option B, seminal vesicle is the accessory sex organ which contribute fructose and citric acid to the semen. Next question. The herbivorous non-ruminants, the roughages are digested in? So in herbivorous non-ruminants, not in ruminants, it is non-ruminants, the roughages are digested in? Option A cecum, option B small intestine, option C stomach, option D rumen. So correct answer is option A, that is cecum. Okay. Next question. An organ which is called the neck of the womb. Which organ is called the neck of womb? Option A uterus, option B vagina, option C cervix, option D vulva. So the correct answer is option C, cervix is called the neck of womb. Next question. The membrane that covers the brain proper is? Option A durameter, option B meninges, option C arachnoid, option D pia meter. So pia meter is the membrane that covers the brain proper. Okay. So next question. A poultry breed having yellowish beak, skin, shank and toes, single combined males stand erect with 5 points and in females only the front points stand erect. Origin Italy, white ear lobe. Which is the poultry breed having following characteristics? Option A white leghorn, option B australope, option C RIR, option D Brahma. So the correct answer is option A white leghorn. Next question. The pH of rumen is? Option A 1 to 2, option B 5.8 to 6.8, option C 3 to 4, option D 7.4. So the pH of rumen is slightly acidic, that is 5.8 to 6.8. Next question. The artificial vagina currently used for collection of semen from bull is called? Option A Danish model, option B English model, option C Russian model, option D American model. So the correct answer is option A, that is Danish model is the artificial vagina which is currently used for the collection of semen from bull. Next question. Which of the following acts as a bioindicator of air pollution? Option A alga, option B fern, option C lichen, option D pinus. So this question is familiar to all of you. So the correct answer is option C, that is lichen, which acts as a bioindicator of air pollution. So next question, an example of sex-linked inheritance is option A, AIDS, option B, hemophilia, option C, cancer, option D, hepatitis. So this question also, it will be familiar to most of the people. The correct answer is hemophilia. It is a sex-linked inheritance. Next question, 10-10 connects. So we already discussed this question. 10-10 connects muscle to bone. Okay, so the correct answer is option C, that is muscle to bone. Next question, organism having characters of both plants and animals is called option A, bacterium, option B, paramecium, option C, mycoplasma, option D, euglena. So the correct answer is option D, that is euglena. It is a protist which comes between animals. It shows the characters of both animals and plants. Okay. Next question, which element is necessary for translocation of sugar in plants? Option A, iron, option B, boron, option C, manganese, option D, molybdenum. Correct answer is option B, boron is the element necessary for the translocation of sugar in plants. Next question, an organism used as biofertilizer is option A, azolla, option B, volvox, option C, ulothrix, option D, chlamydomonas. So biofertilizer is option A, azolla. So next question, which of the following plant hormones is used as weedicide? Option A, IAA, option B, NAA, option C, kinetin, option D, 2,4-D. So in which of the following plant hormones is used as a weedicide? So the correct answer is option D, that is 2,4-D. So the last question, the valve which guards the right atrioventricular aperture in human heart is, so which is the valve which guards the right atrioventricular aperture in human heart? Option A, semi-lunar valve, option B, bicuspid valve, option C, tricuspid valve, option D, none of these. So the correct answer is option C, that is tricuspid valve, which guards the right atrioventricular aperture. Okay. So what is the function of bicuspid valve? Bicuspid valve is an aortic valve that has two flaps. So its function is the valve allows blood to flow from the left ventricle to the aorta and prevents blood from flowing backward. Okay, so the bicuspid valve allows blood to flow from the left ventricle to the aorta and prevents the blood from flowing backward. It's the function of bicuspid valve. So what is the function of semi-lunar valve? So the valve allows blood to be pumped forward into the arteries but prevent backflow of blood from the arteries into the ventricles. So this semi-lunar valve allows blood to be pumped forward into the arteries but prevent backflow of blood from the arteries into the ventricles. Okay. So that's all for this section. So I hope you all like this video. If you like this video, please share and subscribe my channel. So in the following videos, I will be discussing about more questions regarding the livestock inspector examination. And if you people want to teach me any, and if you people want me to discuss any topic regarding the same, you can comment on the comment box. I will try to do that for you. So bye. We'll see in the next section.